When working on search engine optimization for a website, there's a no-cost tool that helps you better understand how the website is performing on Google search. The tool is called Google Search Console. Search Console provides information on a range of different website metrics and reports. For example, you can learn how many people visit the website by searching on Google, or you can confirm Google is crawling your web pages. You can also learn if there are any technical errors on the site. In this video, we're going to discuss how to get started on Google Search Console and how a beginner in digital marketing may use this tool. For several of the following videos and screenshot examples, we're using a company called Happy Close. They're a fictional company we use to demonstrate SEO and SEM tools. There are a lot of features on Search Console. Some are more advanced than others. Let's discuss first steps a beginner should do. First, add and verify website ownership. Verification is a process of proving that you own the website. And once you finish the verification, Search Console will start to collect data, and you'll gain full access to the tool. And after a few days, once the Search Console collects sufficient website data, the second step you should take is to ensure Google can find and read your pages. The Index Coverage Report provides an overview of all the pages Google indexed or tried to index in the website. Review the list available and try to fix page errors and warnings. For the third step, you should review another report called the Mobile Usability Report. This report shows issues that might affect your user's experience while browsing the site on a mobile device. The report includes information about specific issues, a sample list of pages affected, and how to fix an issue. The next step is to consider submitting a sitemap to Search Console. A sitemap is a file that provides information about the pages, video, and other files on the site, and the relationship between them. Search engines like Google read this file to crawl the site more efficiently. You don't have to have a sitemap because Google is still likely to crawl the website. However, it is best practice to submit the sitemap to improve the crawling. Particularly if your website is larger and over 500 pages, you should also include a sitemap in case Google has difficulty crawling your site and cannot discover important pages. Submitting a sitemap is a slightly technical SEO task. However, many websites, platforms such as WordPress, Wix, or Blogger automatically create and make a sitemap available for search engines. You don't have to do anything. If your website is on a platform, confirm it is doing this for you. The fifth step is to monitor your site's performance. The Search Performance Report shows how much traffic you're getting from Google search. The report breaks down the traffic by queries, pages, and countries. For each of these breakdowns, you can get trends for impressions, clicks, and other metrics. We'll discuss Search Console reports later in this course. As a digital marketer using Search Console, let's discuss what the general usage is like. The day-to-day usage will be minimal. You'll receive an email when unusual events occur, such as if the website is hacked or if Google has any issues crawling the website. Every month or so, review the Search Console dashboard. Get a quick health check to check on the website. Make sure there aren't any errors on the site. Also, check that there aren't any unusual dips in click count to the website. You should also review Search Console whenever you add new content to websites. If needed, submit a new sitemap with the recently added content. A few weeks after adding new pages, confirm that the number of indexed pages are rising. If you're ever working on website content, review the Search Console metrics and reports to ensure the website is functioning properly. If it isn't, that could affect the performance of your content. Great job. You're really learning a lot. I hope you're feeling more confident in your SEO and Search Console knowledge.